tell me, what is your speciality?
I know all capitals.
All the capitals?
Yes.
Okay, what is the capital of India?
New Delhi,
And Pakistan?
Islamabad,
Nepal?
Kathmandu,
Sri Lanka?
Colombo and Jayavardhan Kotte, Tipam, New
And
Delhi.
Bhutan?
Thimphu,
China?
Beijing,
And Malaysia?
Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur,
Indonesia?
Jakarta,
And Singapore?
Singapore and Singapore.
Okay, and you tell me the capital of Israel.
Israel, Jerusalem.
And Dubai?
Dubai is city, but that comes in UAE and that capital is Abu Dhabi.
Oh my goodness, you know very well. And South Africa?
South Africa, Cape Town and Pretoria, Black Thornton.
My God. And what about America?
Washington DC,
And Canada?
Ottawa,
Oh. And Saudi Arabia?
Riyadh.
My God. And South Africa?
South Africa, Cape Town, Bloemfontein and
And
Pretoria,
Ghana?
Accra,
My God, you know everything. And Russia?
Moscow.
Oh wow, you are amazing. How many capitals do you know? How many countries are there in this world?
190.
Oh.
97.
Okay, you tell me the name of youngest country.
South Sudan.
How come it is youngest?
That independent from South Sudan and in 2011.
That got independence. Huh?
Yes.
So that country was under whose control?
South Sudan.
Okay.
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. And now there is a war going on in Russia and one more country. Do you know that?
Ukraine.
Ukraine. What is the capital of Ukraine then?
Kyiv.
Ah. And one more war is going on right now. Which country?
Israel and Palestine.
Oh, what is the capital of Israel then?
Jerusalem, that because of that Masjid al-Aqsa, that Palestine saying that Muhammad Paigambars, that their namaz that do.
Okay.
Because
That's really great. You're in which class?
fourth,
You're in fourth
Fourth
standard. Who is your class teacher?
Shalini ma'am.
And how do you know all these
Google.
capitals? Oh, you Google?
Yes, I have my father ordered that type in that all capitals.
Okay, and you have that, there is one software where you ask the questions and you get all the answers?
Google, and that map is there, that gold globe, and I see that what is capital.
Wow, so you love geography, huh?
Yes.
Very good.
He has got one certificate also
For what?
for saying capitals and for giving geographical answers.
Wow. So he's amazing, very talented.
I know in that with answer, but ma'am not take me because I will tell extra.
But do you know capitals of all the states in India?
Yes.
Okay, what is the capital of Assam
Dispur,
and Nagaland,
Kohima,
Mizoram,
Mizoram as well,
and Sikkim,
Sikkim, Gangtok,
and Jammu, Kashmir?
Jammu in winter and summer, Srinagar.
Oh. And now there is one more UTI that is it is next to Kashmir. Do you know the name of that UTI? United Territory.
Ladakh.
Ah, yes, you're right now. But you're prompting him. You also know all these things?
Yes, I know only India's capital.
Okay. So what is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
And you tell me Kerala?
Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram.
And what about Andhra?
Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati.
And Telangana?
Telangana, Hyderabad.
And Karnataka?
Karnataka, Bangalore.
And Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
And Gujarat?
Yeah, Gandhinagar.
Okay.
But Gandhinagar is not developed than Ahmedabad. But Ahmedabad will capital in future.
Okay. And Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Okay. And Delhi?
Delhi.
And Haryana?
Haryana, Chandigarh,
Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow,
And Bengal, West Bengal?
Kolkata,
Odisha?
Bhubaneswar,
Okay. And there are Chhattisgarh? Yeah.
Raipur.
Raipur, okay. And one more state is remaining, I think.
Yes, Manipur,
Manipur, okay. What is
Imphal.
the Imphal. One more state is remaining.
Jharkhand.
Ranchi.
Okay, but
Bihar.
there is Okay, Jharkhand, right. So I think all the states I have covered.
No, one is remaining.
Which one?
Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand and Bihar.
Oh my goodness. You tell me the capitals then.
Bihar Patna, Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Uttarakhand Dehradun.
My goodness. What is your name?
Yug Santosh Lamge.
Wow, you are so amazing.
and solar system questions also.
Oh, next time I will ask you these questions, okay?
Which
I am so impressed and I really loved the way you are telling all the capitals. Hello, now where are you going?
sport activities.
You like it?
Yes,
Every day you play?
yes,
Every day?
yes. I not play in Friday because my leg is paining because.
Okay. Chalo, thank you for this information and you can go for play now.